Alright, so here's the suction. So we have suction in the office. Everywhere except we have suction here, 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 and in the back. The only place we don't have suction is the first chair. Just make sure it all works. Yep. Perfect. Okay. I noticed because the amalgam separator over here is completely bone dry. Look at this. There's no liquid in here at all. Okay, so I paused this for a second. There's some sort of interference between the suction and my microphone, so I apologize if it sounds kind of wonky. Number two, this amalgam separator cartridge is what called my attention to the problem to begin with. I opened up the cabinet and it was completely dry. It's a new cartridge, but I had it in there for like a day or two and it's completely bone dry. There should be saliva or whatever, or at least waste from the cleanings we did or the operative treatment I did the other day. There should be liquid in the canister. And the fact that it's empty means there's a blockage someplace. So that begs the question, when we're doing profies and we were doing operative yesterday in here and sucking up water, where is it going? Unfortunately, it goes down through this concrete floor in the ceiling of the suite below us and feeds into here. So this first chair over here, well, there's nothing now because I unscrewed, I took it apart. Hold on. All right. There's supposed to be suction here, but there's not. Let's see if I can lower this down. There's a clog over here. So I tried water. In the past, I've used water. I made another video actually where I used this snake over here. Not this snake, this thing over here, which I use in my fish tank. And I couldn't unclog it yesterday. So I brought a real hose, I brought a compressor, and an adapter that's going to screw in there. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is try some air. So let's see what happens. It's ridiculous, really. So let's fire up the compressor. Hopefully I'm not going to ruin the PVC. So what I'll do here, I'm going to screw this in over here. This is an FIP thread over here. So, do this. This is going to screw in. I should have brought pliers. More pliers. Come on, get in there. There we go. I'll plug this in. Now hopefully, alright, so I don't know if you can see what we got there. It's hard for me to see if this is picking it up properly. Alright. Alright, let me take got this screwed in over here. Hopefully, I'm going to put that in. That's going to introduce 120 pounds pressure into here and blow whatever's clogged into there. Alright. There goes nothing. So I'm going to shove this in and we'll cross our fingers. Nope. Wow. What? 60 PSI, nope. It's completely plugged. Holy cow. Might be going there with a snake. Nope. Freaking. That's crazy. Crazy. I don't know how that's possible. Try that again, see what happens. Oh. It did work. It worked. Why is there no water in there? I was waiting to see something go flying through here. All right, let me try that again. All right, there's nothing. So here I'm looking for the liquid to go into the amalgam separator, but it's still empty, even though I blasted another 120 PSI through the lines. Still nothing. I'll put some water in there and see what happens. Now I'll use some water. So basically, now that I cleared whatever was plugging it with air, I'm going to blast water into there now also. And hopefully that'll do the trick. Hook that up to a hose. On the chair here. so I don't get electrocuted. Okay, turn the suction back on, put some water in here. Put some water. Okay, just a quick note here. I paused the video. You can see there's still no water going through the line, even though the suction is now cleared in terms of air getting through. The water is still not getting through. This is in real time, maybe about 20 to 30 seconds of full 40 psi pressure water going into the suction line and it not going through into the amalgam separator. All right, so there was something stuck in there, boy. There we go. There we go. Yeah, unfortunately, when I walked away to turn off the water, I missed it. Yeah. But now the clog is definitely cleared.
Thank you.
Suck the water back. Fixed. Yeah. This is pale here. Alright, turn it off, it's gonna drain. Watch this. Okay. A little bit of this. A little of this. Basically right there, like here we go. that's it. No leaking. We're done. Let's plug this shit back in. 1, 2. It's fixed.